In this video, we listed the 5 best impact drivers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Makita XT2131 18V LXTR Cordless Impact Driver Kit. The Makita XT2131 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Cordless Impact Driver Kit 3.0 is a high-performance tool designed for both professional and DIY applications. Equipped with a BL brushless motor, it delivers up to 1,500 lbs of maximum torque, providing powerful fastening capability for demanding tasks. The variable speed settings, ranging from Euro 3,400 RPM and Euro 3,600 IPM, offer precise control for a wide variety of applications, from driving screws to heavy-duty fastening. The brushless motor design eliminates carbon brushes, allowing the motor to run cooler, more efficiently, and with a longer lifespan. Powered by an 18V LXT lithium-ion battery with a 3.0 Ah capacity, this cordless impact driver offers both portability and extended runtime, making it an essential addition to any toolkit. Number 2. Metabo HPT 18V MultiVolt Cordless Impact Driver Set. The Metabo HPT 18V battery-powered impact driver is engineered for professional performance and versatility. Featuring high-performance triple hammer technology, it delivers up to 1,859 lbs of torque and up to 4,000 BPM, allowing it to tackle even the toughest fastening tasks with speed and reduced vibration. With 5 speed modes, including a dedicated bolt mode for efficiently tightening and loosening large bolts and nuts, the variable speed trigger ensures precise control in any application. Compact and lightweight at just 4.5 mm in length and 2.0 lbs, it offers excellent maneuverability in tight spaces, while triple LED lights illuminate work areas with minimal shadows. Powered by 2 18V 2.0H lithium-ion Metabo batteries with fuel gauge, it provides up to 30% longer runtime and is compatible with both 18V and 18V/36V MultiVolt batteries. Backed by Metabo HPT's 5-year warranty, this impact driver combines durability, reliability, and superior Japanese engineering for professional-grade performance. Number 3. Kobalt Impact Drivers 24V Max. The Kobalt 24V Max 1/4" cordless impact driver is a powerful and versatile tool designed for both professional and DIY use. It features a brushless, highly efficient motor capable of delivering up to 1,800 lbs of torque and 3,500 IPM, making it ideal for demanding fastening tasks. The driver offers electronic variable speed control with 3 speed settings: 0-850, 0-2000, and 0-2700 RPM, plus a finish mode for precise control in delicate applications. Its 1/4" quick-release collet allows for fast and easy bit changes, while the included belt clip, bit holder, and soft bag enhance convenience and portability. Powered by a 24V max high-capacity Li-ion battery, this cordless impact driver ensures long runtime and reliable performance across a wide range of projects. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max Impact Driver Kit. The DEWALT 20V Cordless Impact Driver is a compact and lightweight tool designed for efficiency and ease of use in tight spaces. Measuring just 5.55 inches front to back and weighing 2.8 kilograms, it provides excellent maneuverability without compromising power. Equipped with 3 built-in LEDs that stay illuminated for 20 seconds after releasing the trigger, it ensures clear visibility with minimal shadows in dark work areas. The one-handed 1/4" hex chuck allows for quick and easy bit changes, streamlining your workflow. Built for durability and reliability, this impact driver is backed by DEWALT's 3-year limited warranty, making it a dependable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 5. CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Impact Driver Kit. The CRAFTSMAN V20 20V Max Cordless Impact Driver is a powerful and reliable tool designed for both professional and home use. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers up to 1,500 nlbs of torque, providing the strength needed for driving larger fasteners, while offering up to 30% more runtime and enhanced durability. With a maximum speed of 2,800 RPM and 3,500 IPM, it enables fast and efficient fastening for a variety of applications. The 1/4-inch quick-release chuck allows for easy, one-handed bit changes, adding convenience to every job. This kit includes a V20 20V Max Lithium-Ion battery with high-performance cells for extended runtime, along with a charger capable of recharging the battery in 60 minutes or less. Compatible with the VersaTrack wall organization system, it also offers versatile storage options. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, this impact driver combines performance, efficiency, and durability for all your fastening needs.